Now that we have seen how the MateBook X Pro and the MatePad Pro can be connected through the Mate View to make your life more productive and much easier, now we'll see how the MateBook X Pro and the MatePad Pro can be connected together, which will make your life even easier and more productive. Alright, so what we have over here is the MateBook X Pro and the MatePad Pro. Right now we'll see how both of them can be connected seamlessly thanks to the Huawei superdevice concept, which makes the devices having common language. So let's go ahead and connect it. So we'll click on the Huawei PC Manager. I'll choose tablet, and then I'll find it right there. So I'll click on it and wait for it to connect. Now later on we'll see how our life will become much easier. So I'll go ahead and type in the code that appears in the MatePad Pro, 674. Now this is how easy it is to connect and merge both. So the first display that you see here is that it's on extended screen. So the MatePad Pro will become an extended display from the MateBook X Pro. So let's see a couple of functions that we can do and how easy it is. So for example, I have this concept of a house. Let's say I want to edit it or sign it, so I can just touch the screen with the M pencil. I can go ahead and write my name with a smiley face. Now let's go ahead and save it. Now, whenever you click save, it will not be saved on the MatePad Pro. Actually, it will be saved on the MateBook X Pro, since this is just an extended display, or it's an extension of the MateBook X Pro display. Now, I was saying letting your ink dry. Now let's close it and see it's saved right here. Let's open it. Voila, you have it right there. That's how easy it is to edit some of the files and use it. But you know what's more amazing is a new connection way, which is called Collaborate. Now the Collaborate, this will truly show you how easy it is to connect multiple different platforms together and actually utilize them to enhance your experience. So right now, as you see on the right side, I have the MatePad Pro. It's the exact same that we have seen before, nothing has changed. And here we're having the MateBook X Pro. Now if you see the mouse, it's being dragged all the way to the MatePad Pro, which means that I can control my MatePad Pro using the keyboard and the mouse. But what's even more amazing is how easy it is if I want to transfer some of the files from the MateBook X Pro to the MatePad Pro, or the other way around. So you remember this picture that we have at the beginning of the video? I'll go ahead and drag it. I'll place it over here in the MatePad Pro, and that's how simple it is to have it transferred. Now let's add another smiley face into it, and then we'll be transferring it back to the MateBook X Pro. So I'll put a smiley face with the orange color. Once I save it, I'll save it as a new one. Now this picture will be saved on the MatePad Pro itself. Now in order for me to transfer it with a very super simple drag and drop, I can very simply just take it and drop it over here. Now if I open it, I'll see my orange smiley face right there. So really having both devices, or the concept of the Huawei super device, it does make your life so much easier, and it increases the productivity and the efficiency in the workplace.